Come on over so you can see the entrance.
Really kind of nervous about walking through bees.
Yeah, I know. Just come around here.
Look at all.
There's hardly any over here.
Okay.
Just the edge of the cloud. I'll step back so you can step over this easy.
Kind of in a tangle here. I'm coming. Just, you know, kind of scary. Oh, yeah.
See what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that they're definitely sitting out on the branch there. They were a lot more clumped up.
Look at their butts up in here. Can you zoom in on that?
Just give me a second. Asinov! You guys, come in here! Uh-oh. Hello, little bee. You're barking up the wrong tree. So I think we got the queen in there. Good job, Beba.
No, we're not done.
No. You can see
at some point
they start building on the...
We've got to get their natural comb out. Otherwise they're going to just build around that and everything's going to get stuck together and we're not going to be able to manage it at all.
Yeah.
But,
oops, where am I focusing? I was trying to focus on the comb that they were building on sticks. There it is. Trying to focus. There you go. I got a bee on my hand. I'm glad I have gloves on. She's cleaning herself. Ah. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off.
got enough?
Yay!